Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're going to watch this video. Guys, in today's video we are coming to cook for you crane stew, or we call it palava sauce. So this is bomb power cutting the crane. We've already washed and she's cutting it, and this is me trying to clean our country fall or chicken. Yes, we call it country fall. So I use the hot water in the flask from the Vine's flask to clean this country fall or chicken. So that is how we're slicing or cutting the palava sauce, which we call crane in Creole. So yeah, that is me cleaning the country fall. I have to be fast because I don't want the video to be long. So guys, if this is your first time to come across my videos, I'm Francis Fawai, a Sierra Leone YouTuber based in Sierra Leone. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the best. You're the real VIPs and gist. I love and appreciate you all. Please put on your notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So this is me cleaning the fall, I said fall, yeah, that's how we call it in Creole, so don't blame me. Cleaning the chicken, yes, because I have a visitor that was coming from Freetown, and she came for Young Life. I'm one of the leaders here in Malantiwan, so I decided to surprise her with food, with this crane stew. So me and Bompava, we were preparing it because Black Hour, she's not always here, always on the street. So guys, enjoy the video. Abi was disturbing me and I was mad at her because she was just passing in front of the camera. I told her and she started provoking me. That was why I was laughing. She was singing as it is sweet us, it pain me. This is me. I'm done cleaning the fall. I've roasted it. I cut everything how it's supposed to be cut, and I'm done cleaning. I'm rinsing it now to steam it. Yeah. Your baby knows how to cook, guys. I love cooking. This is me now coming to season my country fall or my chicken. Yeah, chicken Maggi cube. I have a garlic powder, ginger powder, and a little salt. Yeah, so that's me putting my seasonings. So yes, a little salt, so a little water. Yeah, allow it to steam. So these are other ingredients. My kanda, that's how we call it. I have my kanda, I have my garden eggs, which we call here jakato. Look at the crane, how is done cutting it. Look at the chicken is thin, and look at my oil, my fish, my pepper, and everything. I'm putting my oil now to come and fry my fish because I just want to hurry up. Yes guys, so that's the fish, that's the meat or chicken, that's my crane and my kanda and other ingredients. So the oil is hot now. I'm coming to put my fish. Yes, so my fish is frying now. So guys, enjoy the video. Yes, it's time now for the chicken, yes, or the country fall. I'm frying my country fall also. I'm mixing. Yeah. So guys, I put my groundnut in the hot oil for it to scatter very well. Yeah, I put a little water. Yes, if you want your granite to scatter very fast, just put it in hot oil. It will not take you a minute to do that. This is me, and I put small water in it. I'm mixing now. Yeah, because I want the granite to cook. And these are my ingredients: my fried chicken and fish, my country kanda is washed and cut. Have you seen? 5 minutes later, this is how it looks like. And now I'm putting my ingredients. Coming to put my ingredients. Yeah, I'm checking if there's any ball of granite inside. So I was making sure that I scatter everything. So this is it now. Putting my Maggi cube, 2 Maggi cubes, and putting my pepper. Yes, yummy. I'm putting my kanda and other ingredients you did not see. I put my ogiri. Yeah, because I don't put salt initially because my chicken has salt, and these Maggi cubes we are using now, they have a lot of salt. So I prefer, now I'm putting my country follow chicken in the stew. Yes, because I want the sweetness to enter the chicken, so when you are eating it, you enjoy it properly. So guys, it's time now for me to put my cream in the pot. As you can see, my stew is well cooked. I'm now putting my green or palava sauce. Yes, after that I covered it for 5 minutes. Yes, after 5 minutes I came and opened the pot. As you can see, I said let me mix it properly. Guys, this cream is very sweet. This cream is very delicious, guys. And now it's not yet cooked. So guys, yes, I'm coming to cover it again for 10 minutes. You'll see, because it has not yet cooked, that is why it looks like this. Just give me 10 minutes more. Then 10 minutes later, I put my onion on top. Guys, are you seeing? Oh, if you taste this, guys, if you taste this cream, you cut off your fingers. You cut off your fingers. Your baby knows how to. Cooking is one of my hobbies. Are you seeing? Now it's time for me to put my fish on top of this. Yeah, I was mixing it because I don't want to mix it again when I put my fish. Guys, the aroma, everybody was passing will come and say, hey, what are you cooking? I'm smelling sweet smell here. Guys, I'm putting on my fish because I don't want it to scatter. Cover it, and I'm dishing my rice. This is me and Bump Hours. I share the food. You know, we have a very big family. You cannot cook small food here. Guys, look at our cream. I said, let me put our beat it up first. She's going to eat the best. Yes, I was searching for the country fold to give her the best portion. That one was by my mommy, and Oh, everybody, I everybody tasted this food, and this food was so delicious, guys. I'm finding my meat to put for the lady that is coming. She's my guest, or our guest. She's coming to monitor. She was coming to monitor six different schools. But I said, let me prepare food for her so when she comes, she'll eat. Yeah, I was putting the best part for her so that she can enjoy. And when she ate this food, guys, she thanked me a lot. She was so happy. She said, Frances, you know how to play with your hands. This is one of my hobbies. I love doing this any day, anytime. Even if you woke me up in the middle of the night, I'm ready to cook. That's me. I just love cooking. I can never get tired of cooking. So this is us now eating our food, me and Bompawa. Bompawa was mondoing the rice. You see Bompawa? She was mondoing. I said, you're mondoing who? And she was laughing. Oh guys. Come join us. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love and appreciate you all. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is baby divine now. I was finishing the rice. I was full and she ate everything, this girl. Okay, let me taste this crow. How do they call crow in English, guys? Yes, I said let me taste this crow. Yeah. Guys, I just want to eat this food back. So sweet. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye bye.